I'm doing little part yes, little part no, little part yes, little part no, little part yes. That's how I make the division. But yeah, the timing, like this side is already in way longer than the other one will. So I don't know. One hour later, got many layers. So 1 hour means these are, the lower ones are in too long already. I don't understand. Because how can I rinse only a part of my hair? You see that? Oh shit, this is very, oh it's very blonde. Look at this. Uh-oh. Oh shit, look at that. Oh shit, what have I done? Yeah, well. But the top one should stay longer. Oh my god, I'm confused. And also I have to rinse my hair and I'm wearing the t-shirt. I'm just gonna shower with my t-shirt, I guess. So I can rinse out these ones. Some of them are very blonde and some I don't even see. Yeah, I should rinse it. I won't be showing the shower part, sorry. Although I'm wearing a t-shirt. No. Changed for a proper shower. I got lots of product left. They say you shouldn't save it, but they say because it could explode in the bottle, but it's not in a bottle. So I am gonna save it and maybe later on see what this is like and see if I'm gonna do some in the back. Breaking all the rules. And so after all of that, we'll have to put a little bit of some kind of a conditioner thing. Anyway, it's anti-orange. And then I can dry my hair and then I can see what it looks like. It's blue. So it's not completely dry yet. I just couldn't wait. Yeah, it's there. What do you think? What do you think? I'm almost disappointed. I think I've been maybe too careful, but at the same time, maybe it's perfect. It's very subtle, but still it's there. So yeah, the bottom ones have been in longer and they are definitely stronger, right? So I might do it again, put a little bit more on the top and also put some on the back. Could be better, but well, for sure, I didn't ruin it. Eat this internet, I can do it. Probably nice.